Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook slow-cooked brisket. First, choose a high-quality brisket, ideally a flat cut weighing about 3 to 5 pounds. Trim excess hard fat, leaving about 1/4 inch of soft fat for flavor and moisture. Generously season all sides of your brisket with a rub mixture of salt, black pepper, and garlic powder for a rich, savory crust. This initial preparation is key to developing a deep, satisfying flavor. Place your seasoned brisket fat side up in a roasting pan or a large Dutch oven. Cook it in an oven preheated to 275 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 4 to 6 hours. The exact time depends on your brisket's size and thickness. Aim for an internal temperature of 190 to 205 degrees Fahrenheit. Cooking slowly at a low temperature helps break down tough connective tissues, ensuring a tender, pull-apart result. You want that melt-in-your-mouth texture. Once your brisket reaches the desired internal temperature, remove it from the oven, but resist the urge to slice it immediately. Cover the pan loosely with foil and let it rest for at least 30 minutes or even up to 1 hour. Resting allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, preventing a dry, crumbly texture. When ready, slice the brisket against the grain into pencil-thick pieces, which ensures maximum tenderness with every bite. This patience truly pays off. Serve your succulent slow-cooked brisket with classic sides like creamy mashed potatoes, crisp coleslaw, or hearty cornbread. The rich, smoky flavor pairs wonderfully with a variety of accompaniments. Leftovers are fantastic for sandwiches, tacos, or even shredded into a flavorful chili, offering versatile meal options. Store any remaining brisket in an airtight container for up to 3 to 4 days in the refrigerator. Enjoy your delicious homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.